In the fourth and final phase of the Lok Sabha elections in Madhya Pradesh, voting will take place in 8 Lok Sabha parliamentary constituencies on Monday. India voted in favor of a draft UN General Assembly resolution supporting Palestinian bid to become a full UN member. In the national capital Delhi, 6 people were injured and 2 killed due to tree unrooting, and 70 people were reported injured due to building damage in the massive storm last night. Delhi Rouse Avenue Court yesterday ordered the framing of charges against former WFI chief and BJP MP Brij Bhushan Sahra Singh in sexual harassment case lodged against him by 5 women wrestlers. In IPL cricket, Kolkata Knight Riders will take on Mumbai Indians at Eden Gardens in Kolkata this evening.